Hey, Dr. Coleman, how long does it take to get addicted to Suboxone?
You know, getting addicted to any opioid happens pretty fast. We see people who are prescribed opioids and within a week or two, they've got some physical dependence. When people start using opioids on the street, we often say they're physically dependent within 2 or 3 weeks. So it's fast. Suboxone is similarly fast. The most common situation with people are getting worried about getting addicted to Suboxone is when they're trying to use some Suboxone to wean themselves off of their heroin or their fentanyl. And typically what people do is they stop their heroin and fentanyl, they start taking small doses of Suboxone to ease the withdrawal symptoms. And if they can limit that to 2 or 3 days, they can often avoid getting addicted to Suboxone. But what we find is that if they start using it more than 4 or 5 days, then they're starting to get withdrawal when they stop the Suboxone, in which case they've just become addicted to the Suboxone instead. And that happens almost all the time. So it's very difficult to use any other meds to get yourself off heroin or off the fentanyl, which is why we're kind of so happy with the detox we do, where we have a 98% success rate getting people off opioids pretty comfortably, very successfully, safely. And sometimes we use small doses of Suboxone in our detox, not every time because we don't need it, but when we do need it, we certainly use it, but we only use it a couple of times so that they don't get addicted to the Suboxone.